Hello students, how are you all? I hope you everyone are enjoying now. So today let's talk about the reaction of haloalkene with metal. How do a haloalkene react with metal? That we are going to understand today. Here we have haloalkene Rx, and when react it with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. So magnesium is very reactive, you can say, metal, and can lose 2 electron easily. So what will happen? We get RMgX compound. When magnesium metal react with haloalkene in the presence of dry ether, we get RMgX compound. This compound is called organometallic compound, after the name of scientist who synthesized this organometallic compound, Grignard reagent. This compound name is Grignard reagent. It is prepared or synthesized by the Grignard, and it is very important in organic chemistry. Many type of organic compound can be synthesized, can be prepared by Grignard reagent, that you will study later on. So here the Mgx bond is purely ionic bond, right? And the bond between R and Mg is covalent bond. Basically it is a covalent bond, but since magnesium is very electropositive and ready to donate the electrons, so what will happen? The carbon of alkyl group snatch or attract the shared electron toward itself, and in that way it carry the partial negative charge, and on the other hand magnesium have partial positive charge. So this is what about the organometallic compound Grignard reagent. It has to be safe, it is very reactive and has to be saved by the traces of water. That means कि बहुत छोटा सा भी अगर moisture भी इसको मिल जाएगा, then it will change into the alkane. How this reaction is take place? Let's see. When Grignard reagent is exposed or comes into the contact of water or moisture, the OH ions from the water attach with the magnesium, since magnesium is very electropositive metal, and forming magnesium hydroxide halide. And what is left? H. H goes with the R and forms alkane. So that is why it has to be saved from the traces of water, from the moisture and all. This is very important question. Many times it is asked in the examination. So do take care. Now another question is how you will prepare alkene from Grignard reagent or alkene from haloalkene. Haloalkene से या Grignard reagent से आप कैसे alkene को prepare करेंगे? That is also many times asked. So what we will do? We will simply haloalkene react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether and forming RMgX, Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is exposed into the water, then we will get alkene and magnesium hydroxy halide. So this is how we can get alkene from the Grignard reagent. The next question is very important question, and it is a name reaction, that is Woods reaction. In Woods reaction, what happen? When haloalkene react with highly reactive metal like sodium in the presence of dry ether, what will happen? The sodium take the chlorine from haloalkene, right, and forming salt, sodium halide. Sodium halide salt will be formed, and here we can have higher member of alkene, right? For example, suppose we have taken methyl chloride, 2 molecule of methyl chloride or chloromethane, you can say. When react with sodium in the presence of dry ether, we will get ethane, 2 molecules, 2 carbon alkane we will get, and